Garth decides to fire up the Dodge at 11:30 p.m. on a Thursday. You can't really see how smoky it is in here, but hit the old smoke switch a couple times and had the fire alarm going off. And probably these neighbors are pissed. I'm not gonna be in here while they're staring at us.
Hey,
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I can't even do this. Way to go, Garth.
Well,
Got literally all the cops here. Fire trucks pulling up.
Hey,
you know that smoke switch will do that to
smoke
you.
switch will get you in trouble, you know?
Unbelievable. Yeah, at least my alarm
We're
works.
just testing the alarm up here, you know?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go talk to him, I guess. Hello? I got hose. You're disgusting.
Did you shark? Which one? Which one is it? Shark or fart?
There's just a little too, guys. Which was it, Rudy? Got a new orbital today. Got a first gen on my shirt. It's when you know it's gonna be a good day, okay? It's when you know. How do you like that new rotary, Garth?
I'm loving it.
Why are you all in blue today and none of your LB Motorsports pink?
Well, I have a limited supply of that leather motorsports. Yeah.
Shirts?
Yes.
Really? Because you have a limited edition shirt right over here. With your name on it, literally. Garth. Oh.
Well, you know, saving it for a rainy day.
Our friend Shane is about to pull in his pool truck. Apparently, he says it's such a hog that no one else can pull it in. He is pulling it tomorrow night at the truck pools, local truck pools. They're my favorite ones. A lot of stuff gets broke, a lot of drive shaft drops. It's pretty much my jam. Hey, how many horsepower is this, Brad? 4,892?
No, it's at 55.
Oh, 5,500. That ain't bad.
Nothing special. Just a little beater with a heater, and the heater don't even work. Get no videos of this.
Why?
Missing cool pants.
That's weight reduction. As long as it goes straight line down the track, that's all that matters. Oh. It's fine.
You got a full truck with no AC. You got to carry extra underwear. That way you get swamp ass.
What?
Taken care of.
Can't hear you over the fan.
I said you got to carry an extra pair of underwear in a full truck with no AC. That way if you get swamp ass, change them out.
Or when you're pulling and you just crap your pants.
Yeah.
Up these wheels, we're using the Pro 50 Eliminator by Zephyrs. I love this stuff. It smells good and it eliminates everything. That's what I want.
So we'll definitely have to do a couple spray downs.
No one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying.
Do you want another bottle?
No, we don't need another.
No, we're good. I mean,
this
lasts forever, seriously.
Well, when the cherry wax does its job, the bottle won't stay on the hood.
Trying to take a pic?
Yeah, I'm trying to take a pic here for it, but it won't sit there. I guess it's just that good.
Yeah, this has like 100 horsepower each.
100 horse? Each tow mirror?
Oh yeah, you You gotta flip the tow mirrors out. I don't know if he thinks he's gonna pull with them in, but it'd be in his best interest if he kept them out.
Moose powder?
Yeah, moose powder. For sure.
That dude just broke his head. Not even kidding. Little teenage kids breaking their head.
They're gonna be making laps. Handle it. Of course, it was like when my freaking I'm bending over the knob of this, like Jesus Christ.
Snapping necks and cashing checks.
Who's next?
Done?
Now we're gonna try it.
Nice job. You got a what?
Did you forget the gas cap?
Don't act like you have done it before.
I never have.
Bradley has done that like
Garth.
but like 2.
And he's gotten yelled at for it, hasn't he?
Yeah, he has.
Bradley.
What? Why do you guys gotta hate?
Give me some quick details.
Bradley.
Have your fingers been in the camera?
No,
It wasn't a picture, so
Mom.
I ain't your mom.
I
I ain't nobody's mom.
I'm everybody's mom.
Yeah, that was no joke.
Can we get a reality show? So I
Yeah,
don't.
I'm working on it. You think I ain't? What do you think you're doing right now?
Are you serious? It's like $4.99.
Did mom buy it too?
Yeah, you bought it. I don't know why I'm bitching.
That's after, that's before.
Ting, ting. Ting, ting.
Before or after? Getting after it. I don't know. I didn't know what you were.
Like this angle right here.
Dang. Stickers on these tires. Ready for the pool.
You have to do a fat nasty burnout to get rid of those stickers.
Yeah, no joke. Well, it's raining, but we're headed to the truck pools anyways. They're probably still gonna be on. Maybe.
Why not?
Hopefully. We're cruising the Escalade. Rolling up in the pits. Truck pools were canceled, so they're back to back in.
Good times, good times.
It's really interesting. There's just a huge crowd out here tonight.
I remember when I curled my hair this
Look at all those people in the stands over there.
Oh, yeah, let's turn it. Those packed stands.
We got the old 97 Ford coming up for the bull. He's warming the motor up.
Oh, he's gonna be.
Get after it. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. What you got there, Gar?
Some
Oh, I'm out on that.
What the? So they did cut the heads off of them.
yeah, they got them cooked up for you. They're pre-cooked.
The spam is like really concentrated.
Eat that.
Yeah, that's why it's called spam.
Why are we having like a weird foodie caviar? Is that the Cavalier, Gar?
Yeah, that's the Cavalier.
You ever had some Cavalier?
No, I ain't never
before?
had no Cavalier.
Yeah, hot dogs. Is
We're about
that.
to figure out. What in the hell is this?
I
Why
always
did you
have-
make us buy this?
Ew. Next to the fish? Oh, he's got a pocket knife there.
Scoop it?
Eat it
Well,
up.
you want some of it? You want me to feed it to you?
You
Me
eat
eat
it.
it first?
Oh. Not
Not a
good.
fan of the Cavalier.
You like the spam better?
Yeah, spam's way better.
How's that